Welcome to Arctracle YouTube channel.
Hello there. Let's talk about pharmaceutical industry, drug development process. Introduction to pharmaceutical industry, drug development process. The pharmaceutical industry's drug development process is a complex, multi-stage journey involving scientific discovery, regulatory scrutiny, and clinical testing. Each phase is crucial for bringing a new drug from concept to market. 1. Research and discovery. Objective: identifying potential drug candidates to address specific medical needs. Activities: basic research. Basic research is the foundational stage, where scientists delve into the fundamental understanding of diseases. This involves exploring cellular and molecular pathways, deciphering the intricate mechanisms that underlie various medical conditions. 1. Research and discovery. Activities: target identification and validation. After uncovering potential pathways, researchers aim to pinpoint specific molecules or biological processes that could be manipulated for therapeutic intervention. Validation is a critical step to ensure that the identified targets are causally linked to the disease and would be effective points for intervention. Activities: high-throughput screening. To sift through the vast chemical space, high-throughput screening techniques are employed. This involves the rapid testing of large numbers of chemical compounds against a specific target, allowing researchers to identify potential lead compounds with therapeutic potential. Challenges: balancing innovation with practical feasibility. While groundbreaking innovations are pursued in basic research, the challenge lies in translating these findings into practical and viable drug candidates. Identifying targets that are both novel and feasible for drug development is a delicate balance. Challenges: identifying targets with therapeutic potential. Choosing the right molecular target is pivotal. It requires not only a deep understanding of disease biology, but also insights into the potential of modulating these targets for therapeutic benefit. 2. Preclinical testing. Objective: evaluating the safety and efficacy of drug candidates before human testing. Activities: in vitro studies. In vitro studies involve testing the effects of drug candidates using cells or tissues outside of a living organism. This allows researchers to understand the potential mechanisms of action and assess initial safety profiles. Activities: in vivo studies. Moving to in vivo studies, researchers test the drug candidates in living organisms, usually animals, to assess safety, dosage, and potential side effects in a more complex biological environment. Challenges: predicting human response from animal models. While animal models provide valuable insights, they may not perfectly replicate human physiology. Translating findings from animal studies to predict human responses accurately is a persistent challenge. Identifying and mitigating potential toxicities. Detecting and understanding potential toxicities early in the preclinical phase is crucial. Researchers must develop strategies to mitigate toxicity risks while preserving the therapeutic effects of the drug. 3. Clinical trials. Objective: assessing the safety and effectiveness of the drug in humans. Phases. Phase 1. Phase 1 trials are small-scale studies conducted in healthy volunteers. The primary focus is on assessing safety, determining the appropriate dosage range, and gaining initial insights into efficacy. Phases. Phase 2. Moving to Phase 2, larger studies are conducted in patients to further evaluate safety and effectiveness. This phase provides more detailed information on dosage requirements and potential side effects. Phases. Phase 3. Phase 3 trials involve large-scale studies in diverse patient populations. The main objectives are to confirm the drug's efficacy, monitor side effects comprehensively, and generate statistically significant data to support regulatory approval. Challenges: patient recruitment and retention. Ensuring an adequate number of suitable participants for clinical trials is challenging. Patient diversity is crucial to ensuring that trial results are applicable to a broad population. Challenges: balancing statistical significance with practical considerations. Striking a balance between achieving statistical significance, necessary for regulatory approval, and addressing practical considerations such as patient convenience is an ongoing challenge. 4. Regulatory approval. Objective: obtaining approval from regulatory agencies for market launch. Activities: submission of NDA, MA. Submitting a new drug application, NDA, or marketing authorization application, MA, involves presenting comprehensive data to regulatory agencies, such as the FDA or EMA. This includes data from preclinical and clinical studies. Activities: regulatory review. regulatory agencies conduct a rigorous examination of the submitted data, considering safety, efficacy, and the overall benefit-risk profile. Decisions are made based on the scientific evidence provided. Challenges: navigating complex regulatory pathways. Different regulatory agencies may have distinct requirements and timelines. Navigating the complexities of global regulatory pathways requires careful planning, coordination, and adherence to evolving regulatory standards. Challenges: addressing unforeseen safety concerns. Regulatory approval may be delayed or denied if unforeseen safety concerns arise during the review process. Companies must be prepared to address safety issues promptly and comprehensively. 5. Post-market surveillance. Objective: monitoring the drug's performance and safety after market entry. Activities: continuous monitoring, ongoing surveillance of adverse events and unexpected side effects is critical. Robust reporting systems and data analysis are employed to identify potential safety issues promptly. Activities: observational studies. To complement data from clinical trials, observational studies are conducted, assessing real-world effectiveness and safety in diverse patient populations. Challenges: detecting rare or long-term side effects. Some side effects may only become apparent when the drug is used by a larger population over an extended period. Detecting and evaluating rare or long-term side effects is challenging and requires continuous vigilance. Challenges: balancing risk communication. Communicating risks to healthcare professionals and the public without causing unnecessary alarm is a delicate balance. Maintaining transparency is essential for building and maintaining trust. 6. Life cycle management. Objective: maximizing the value of the drug throughout its life cycle. Activities: new indications. Exploring additional medical conditions for the existing drug involves conducting additional clinical trials to demonstrate efficacy in the new indication. 6. Life cycle management. Activities: formulation development. Creating new formulations or combinations is aimed at improving efficacy, safety, or patient adherence. This enhances the drug's market competitiveness. Activities: label expansions. Investigating potential expansions based on emerging research involves seeking regulatory approval for additional uses beyond the initial approved indication. Challenges: balancing investment with potential returns. Life cycle management requires continued investment in research and development. Companies must carefully assess the potential returns and market demand for each planned activity. Challenges: managing patent expirations and generic competition. As patents expire, generic competition may enter the market. Companies must develop strategies to maintain market share through brand loyalty or by introducing new formulations. In conclusion, the pharmaceutical industry's drug development process is a multifaceted journey that demands scientific innovation, regulatory acumen, and strategic management. It involves a delicate balance between pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge and adhering to practical and regulatory considerations. Continuous learning, adaptation, and collaboration across scientific, regulatory, and business domains are key elements in navigating the evolving landscape of drug development.
Thank you for watching. Arc Creating Future.